Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will allow you to repair the instrument cluster of several Audi models, replacing the original display with the part SEI, the ISP106. For this repair, you will need the tools listed below. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the larger metal screws. With the head of the spudger, unhook the plastic clips to remove the front part of the panel. Now, undo the 3 central screws that secure the original screen. Then remove it. Replace it with the new display, fixing it to the connector placed on the board as it was originally. Turn the cluster and, holding the display, tighten the screws that secure it on the board. Close the dashboard and tighten the larger screws. With the head of the Minitools SEP CAN A6 CAN bus interface, switch on the panel. Press the partial odometer button. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for doing these repairs. Thank you for choosing Minitools.